All right, the projector screen is huge. If it could take on this large entire projector screen, it could pretty much do anything. All right, today we're going to bring a large projector. We're going to set this up today. It's perfect. It's dark right now. I'm going to try to show you as much as I can. So this pole all the way over here extends, all right? Right now we're just going to raise it up, and then you're gonna have to tie these down. They have Velcro, so it's easy to actually do it. Show you how large this screen is in this projector, right? We're gonna turn it on first time, and here, and we're gonna turn off some lights right now too. And this is humongous projector. I'm gonna show you the size of it. So we're gonna let it load up and let it adjust itself first. There's no wind right now, which is perfect. I don't need weights out here, and it's focusing, and there it is. Right, this is a humongous projector screen. It comes with actually weights that you can add up sand. Right now we don't need them. We didn't install them right now because there's no wind in here. But look at this humongous projector screen. So if you're gonna do an outdoor event like I am right now, setting it up here, you're gonna need a lot of space. And also at the same time, they give you spikes. They give you the bag to carry on the whole thing, and if you're trying to fill up a room, this is going to be more than enough. This is really tall compared to myself. I'm about 6 feet tall, and I'm going to compare myself with it. But one of the best things I like about it is that it took me by myself to setting it up with the Velcro. The only recommendation I'm going to tell you guys to do when you drop it down, have somebody hold the actual screen so it won't get dirty. You don't want to dirty this and put it away with filth and maybe use it on the next time, you know. So right now, you have to have a little strong projector like I do. I have a little strong projector, but you would have to need a stronger projector if you want this humongous thing to light up even well. Right now I'm running off this little tiny projector, and it's still doing a great job with it too. So if you guys are going to take this outdoor for camping, day events, night events, this is perfect for you guys. So let me show you a little bit more of what it can do. Now, super impressed with the projector screen. It is super tall. It is as bigger than my garage it is, and in fact when I stand in front of it, it makes me feel very small. But the projector, this kind of works on any projector. Just make sure you have a projector that can take on the entire screen, because there's not that many projectors that can do that, but this one can. It's a small one and very powerful. And like I said, in a couple minutes, I was able to set this up and take it apart. Right now, we're going to take it apart so you guys can see how fast it is.